One of my favorite jobs is I know there's a pattern out there that people love, and then I get to marry that up with a beautiful brand new collection, and that's exactly what we did. You've seen this quilt before. This is called Maisons de Patchwork by Wendy Shepherd, one of my favorite designers, and Kim Diehl is one of my favorite fabric designers. So when she created her collection called Pennyberry Farm, I'm like, oh, it's time to marry up Wendy's pattern with Kim's fabric. This one is going to end up in my house. I tell you that. It's beautiful. So we're offering this on a reserve, and if you've been watching, you know what that means, but maybe you're brand new to Shabby. If you are, welcome. Subscribe right now, just do it and hit the bell. This is a company with so much heart that loves to design morning, noon, and night for you, trying to, again, bring beautiful patterns with beautiful fabrics to produce really world-class exclusive kits not found anywhere else. So what a reserve means for you is you just make a deposit of $10, and that's going toward the cost of your kit. We always choose the perfect coordinating backing for quilts like this, also from the same collection. Look at these bunnies here. How cute they are, kind of almost folk arty. Very unique for Kim Diehl. This is I've never seen her design in this lane before. I think that's maybe what also maybe draws me to this particular fabric collection. A $5 deposit toward that backing. That's it. And what that means for you now is you just rest easy. We receive the fabric. Our team is carefully checking it in, cutting it, folding it, packaging it. We bill you for the difference and have that your way, and then you're off to making your own beautiful quilt. Always exclusive and always limited in quantities. This is all patchwork, as you can see. There's no applique, so that means we just need to make sure we're ironing out our fabrics, add some sizing. If it's been a while since you changed that blade in the rotary cutter, this would be a great time to treat yourself to that. These blocks depend on good, accurate cuts, and of course, 1/4 inch seam allowances. I use my seam guide to help me. We use the gray in the Carrera thread set by Aurifil. That's an Italian-made thread. The Carrera set is a white, gray, black. You can always pick that up. You're total have your bases covered anytime you're doing patchwork, or just pick up a gray, whatever you want to do. Patchwork pins, and of course a new needle and the sewing machine. That's kind of the kit, right? And we've got some standard rulers. Nothing specialty here, but you're always going to want to have a nice complement of rulers. This is just exceptional. This isn't just one of those, throw it on the back of the couch and oh yeah, you kind of just walk past that. No, it's very special. Each of the houses is very unique. There's something to offer. I love the stars. I love the chain. Everything about this and the celebration of Kim's incredible collection. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website. Make the $10 deposit toward your kit. Be sure to pick up that backing with the $5 deposit and scan over these notions. Maybe it's been a while since you changed the blade. And again, if you have not already signed up for the newsletter at Shabby Fabrics and texting, do that while you're at the website. At the very top, you can do that. You can always sign up again. Don't worry, we won't email or text you twice. We just want to make sure that you're able to get our communication as soon as possible, because kits like this can sometimes sell out within just days. So thank you for letting me show you this beautiful new quilt exclusively available from Shabby Fabrics.